Getting started with DBeaver. DBeaver is a visual database client, meaning it's a graphical user interface for interacting with databases. It's available for Mac, Windows and Linux. It supports a wide range of databases and it is a well-supported open source project. For those reasons, it's worthwhile learning to use this tool. This introduction assumes you've already downloaded and installed the program. This video is based on version 5.3, keep that in mind as some details may have changed. We have to let DBeaver know where and how to connect to our database. The first time you load DBeaver, it will ask you to create such a connection configuration. Different databases require different configuration, so the first step is to select the database type. In this example, we select PostgreSQL and click Next. We're connecting over TCP/IP, so we need a domain name or IP address and a port. The default for PostgreSQL is 5432. A single PostgreSQL server can host several databases, so when connecting we can also specify which database to connect to. Finally, we need credentials. A fresh Postgres instance will have a user named Postgres. Enter the password that you configured when setting up the database and click Finish. Every connection you create shows up in your database navigator window. Clicking the newly created connection may prompt you to download some drivers. You'll need these to connect. The database navigator shows you an expandable tree. In this introduction, we're showing you schemas and tables. Schemas are groups of tables. A fresh PostgreSQL database will have a schema called public. You can create a table using a dialog or by running a SQL statement. You open the dialog by right-clicking on the Tables node in the navigator tree. To run custom SQL commands, you need to open a SQL editor window. There is a button in the top menu as well as an option in the text menu. On the left side of the SQL editor, there is a button that looks like a play button. This will run the currently selected statement and display the results below. There is also a button that will run the entire script. In the Results tab, you can edit the values as well as insert new rows. Remember that when creating and altering tables in the dialogs, you have to persist the changes by clicking Save. This button is available in the bottom right corner. You can also use the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut. Before persisting changes, DBeaver will show you the resulting SQL command. This is useful for learning SQL syntax or simply reviewing the command for unintended changes.